Ang laking dagdag sa experience belt na to, Anton. Imagine moving forward sa seasons na meron pa nilang ilalaro. The confidence, the momentum, naggaling ka sa isang championship match, ang laking bagay nun.
And Anjo, if we're gonna look at history, sasabihin ko lang this is not an opinion. This is a fact. The last time na nag-champion itong mga Letranista, that was in season 85. The series went to a game 3. It was against San Beda, and they were also the number 4 seed.
Wow. Parang teleseryeng isinulat no? Ang sarap pakinggan
Parang teleseryeng sinulat, but you cannot script this.
Tama.
The universe made this happen. Akala natin it would be Mapua and Benil.
Yes.
They were number 1, they were number 2, but we have number 3 and 4 here in the finals after 16 years.
Totoo ang destiny, Anton. Naniniwala na ako. And speaking of naniniwala, Vince Emzon, the back-to-back best middle blocker dito sa ating NCAA competition, starting with our first point para sa Letran Knights galing sa isang big quick set na si Nettie Aranyo. What a play.
Anjo, gaano kahirap para sa isang middle blocker na mag-average ng 15.9 points per match?
Kailangan sobrang sipag mo at kada possession tinatalon mo, Anton. Ito na isang ating graduating player from the Arellano Chiefs, Carl Berdan, unang pasabog ngayong umaga. Grabe braso ng batang to.
Of course, syempre yung top scorers ng dalawang koponan, sila ang unang humirit dito sa
back
laban
to
na to.
back Nagpapakitaan agad
Himzon,
Speaking
another
of
one! Isa pa!
Yes! Vince Son
Himi
with another big quick attack. Successful once again, 100% success rate para kay Aranyo and kay Vince. Iba tumalo to si Vince Son. Grabe rin yung connection nila ni Aranyo.
Partner, kakasabi mo pa lang kanina, kailangan mo tumalon at tumalon, kailangan masipag ka.
First kill block point for this match coming kay Bermido. Ganda ng close-out block niya sa down the lane angle na yun. Ang favorite padala ng bola ni AC dito.
Body language is looking good for Letran.
Yeah, maganda gising.
When you are facing elimination, syempre kailangan yung vibe. It has to be right. Oh ho ho!
AC Guido going for the gold. What a spike.
Is it me or is it kind of hot in here? Turn on the AC.
It's kind of hot. Imagine umaambon pa, Anton, ha? Mainit.
And it's also hot because half of this Phil Oil Center is filled with Arellano fans.
I know.
Siyempre, gusto nilang i-anticipate yung potential celebration of a historic first ever men's volleyball title, but Vince Emzon already has 3 points.
All 3 points of the Letran Knights are coming from Vince Emzon in the middle. Tingnan natin, ito umikot na siya, nasa backline na siya.
Vince Emzon na hindi pinapawisan, but wow, Sinuto just putting it down.
Sinuto down the line, challenging the net defense of Bem Bem Bautista with a new haircut, Anton.
Wow, for the celebration, for the pics, for the gram. All right, let's go to Flo Del Agua for our first report.
Salamat, Anton and Anjo. Coming into the finals, both head coaches, although having the same name, have opposite approaches to this match. For Arellano's coach Brian Vitog, he needs his players to submit to his system. Ika niya, ito ang parehas na sistema na nagdadala sa amin sa Final Four the past seasons. Pero yung mastery nila ngayong season 100 lang daw pumitik. So why veer away from what is working? On the other side, Letran's coach Brian Esquivel gives the go signal to the players to decide on their own. He added na noong nag-champion kami noong 2009, iyong angas at utak sa loob ng court ang nagpanalo. So now, I will allow my players to express themselves on what they think is right. All for now, balik sa inyo, gentlemen.
Thank you, Flo. Anong report to Flo, no? Pero ito, speaking of swag and letting his players, express, very evident. Anton, makikita naman natin yung confidence na nabibuild up dito sa Letran side, especially kay Bem Bem Bautista. Nag-usap nga natin siya last time, no? Na kapag gumagawa siya ng mga ganong celebrations, yung mga walk, it hypes up his teammates. And on the other side naman sa Arellano, nako, iba gigil. 16 years parehas.
What a script. What a script, pero hindi po scripted to.
Malabong maging scripted.
Now, sumasayaw si na Bem Bem nag-cheer bigla yung Arellano crowd. So, Anjo, I don't know if that's a smart thing to do, but Bem Bem Bautista, you know, he does not hide from anything.
Aha, tsaka siya yung player na hindi mo dapat iinisin. Dahil meron siyang balang pangbato pabalik sa'yo. Pero ito na nga ating ulang challenge for this match. It was unsuccessful para kay Coach Brian of the Letran Knights. There was no touch.
Naalala ko pa yung final series na yun. That was Warren Pirante versus Rocky Honrade. San Beda Letran in the finals.
The OGs.
The OGs. Ooh. Now we got the new blood. Lardizabal.
And Aranyo. Ang ganda nung habol na set. Ang laking sugal ng mga ganyang set. Anton, sobrang hirap. At ang ganda rin ng timing ni Lardizabal for that adjustment. Ang hirap adjustan ng mga ganung set.
The rookie, Lardizabal.
Yeah, parang hindi rookie.
Fernie Coramen with a running attack.
Successful para sa Arellano Chiefs. Ito, alam mo, sobrang galing mag-set ni Villado. Sobrang hanga ko sa batang to. At alam mo ba, Anton, he got a stint for the Alas Pilipinas men's volleyball team na nagrepresenta sa iba't ibang leagues outside of the Philippines. So, for sure, ibang klaseng experience yung nabaon niya coming into this match.
And that is also why he is the two-time best setter here in the NCAA, Adi Villados.
And a tall one as well. So, ang laking plus niya, masalo kapag center ka kasi mas madaling mag-block dun sa opposite ng kalaban.
Oh, and I should add also, he's also one of the graduating players.
Oh, ang daming gagraduate
So,
pala sa Arellano.
Tatlo sa starting unit. My mistake. Not 2 graduating players, 3 graduating players.
At itong tatlo to ay main players ng Arellano. So for sure, itong team na to with Coach Brian, alam niya na ito ang tamang pagkakataon para makuha nila ang kampyonato.
Kumbaga, it's the last dance.
Yes, it is.
For the big 3. Coramen, Villados, and Berdal. Carl.
That was inside, sabi nating linesman, Carl Berdal. That was a very tight angle. Super cross court, very deep cross court. Nandun yung blockers, but iba pa rin talaga sa Berdal trumabaho. Ang lakas ng wrist action niya. Alam niya, may variation siya kung kailan papaluin o kaya papadaanin lang yung bola sa kamay niya.
Correct me if I'm wrong. Obviously, I didn't play. You played. Could Carl Berdal be pacing himself? Because right now, yung mood niya parang chill lang eh.
Yes, nakikita natin at napanood na rin natin si Carl Berdal kapag nag-iinit siya. Ngayon parang medyo nonchalant mode siya, pero for sure, kinakapapa niya yung laro sa loob ng kalaban na rin at ng teammates niya.
Blockers up there!
Woo! What a block by Villados and Pangilinan for the Arellano Chiefs. Solid kill block para sa Arellano.
And they head to this technical timeout ahead by 1.
Hello mga ka-NCAA, I'm Aliyah Fidalyaga, one of the courtside reporters this season, and we are here at the NCAA Season 100 Soft Tennis Tournament Finals at the Rizal Memorial Tennis Center. Kaya tara, let's go! From 7 schools, only 4 remain. And they're going head-to-head for the final.
And Arellano got the better of Letran, winning in 4 sets.
And looking at the stats, Anton, lumamang ang Arellano Chiefs pagdating sa kanilang blockings at service. Ito yung kailangan gawin ng Letran. Aralin nila yung variations dahil solid at ang ganda tumiming ng blockers ng Arellano. Mas lalo na kapag open sets lang ang binabato ni Aranyo.
Over-received by Bem Bem, but over-spiked as well by Berdal.
Oo. Over-spike for that regalo galing kay Berdal. First error for this match for him.
Coach Brian Vitug, first season as head coach, taking over from Sherwin Meneses.
First season as head coach at finals appearance agad.
Yeah.
Wow.
And you know, hindi basta-basta yung pinalitan niya. As we see, Vince Himson with another one.
Ito na. Minamaximize na ni Aranyo si Vince Simzon. Kahit break ball, kahit out of system na hinahanap pa rin niya si Vince. Every time na tatalon si Vince sa gitna, sinusubo niya agad yung bola for that kill point.
John Wayne and Himzon giving Letran back the lead. Ito yung pasa. Ito yung set. Ito na si Carl. Popped up. Aranyo. Oh! Out of sync. A rare occasion where not on the same page itong si Aranyo at Himzon.
Oo, medyo napilit ni Aranyo that time. Pero ito na nga, Coach Brian Aranyo asking for a 4 touches violation.
Score is all 9.
We're tied at 9.
Coach Brian Esquivel, it's been a long journey for him.
He's seen it all.
Himzon. Berdal had to adjust.
Good take by Bembem.
Oh! Oh!
And there was a net touch violation galing sa Arellano Chiefs. So that ball goes to, and that point goes to the Letran Knights. Even though hindi nila nabalik yung bola.
John Wayne Aranyo now serving.
John Wayne gets it in. Adi to Berdal. Popped up by Bembem. Himzon na naman. Aranyo, back row.
Ooh, what a dig by Villados.
Parang nag-teleport.
Oo.
Nasa back row bigla.
Regalo! And Arellano, namely Pangilinan, ending that regalo with a bang. And it's getting loud in here, Anton. The fans are getting hyped.
I'm wondering why the Letran fans, or are these Arellano fans? Because I can't tell, parehong naka-asul eh.
I think Letranista to, nasa left side
Letranista
natin.
na.
Oo.
Okay.
Hindi na kaya ng aircon, ng fill oil yung init.
So now, unti-unti na pong napupuno ang Phil Oil Center dito sa San Juan. They go to the opposite side. What a hit.
Sinuto.
By Sinuto, hindi mo pwedeng iwan ang kahit sino naman na spikers ng Arellano with a single block coverage because they know their strengths and they have the power. Mas lalo kapag single block, ang dami nilang options to do that. So as much as possible, kailangan mo ng 2-man block coverage.
Tabla na naman po tayo. 11 all. Oh, what a set. What a set.
Tama ka dyan, Anton. A very good deception set galing kay Aranyo. Ang blockers ng Arellano opting for Vince Simzon. As always, kasi ang gaga na naset ni Aranyo at ni Vince Simzon yung threat nila kapag nasa harapan si Vince. Kaya naman mas madali na mag-set pagdating sa dulo-dulo.
Yung mga setter ba, nag-extra stretching sa mga wrist?
Oo, bro, for sure. Kaya ganun sila kalakas mag-set eh. Back-to-back points for Sinuto sa opposite area. Challenging the 2-man block coverage of the Letran Knights. Too easy for him.
The older of the Sinuto brothers, Juen and Jewel. Aranyo. May check ba para kay Bermido? Wala.
No check. Ganda kasi nung harang ng kamay ng blockers eh. Mahirap na hirap si Bermido padaanin sa down the lane area. So ang option lang niya is either to drop ball off speed or go deep cross court.
Aranyo. Bam bam. Ayan na.
Ito na. First spike para sa front row mula kay Bembem Bautista. Ang ganda nung pasok ni Lord Izabal. Kaya naman na late ang blockers ng Arellano, making it easier for Bembem to score. Sa open.
Napatalon eh.
Oo, sumabay.
Parang Pinoy step lang. Napatalon.
Yun.
Mga blockers. Ginto. Oh!
That spike was rebounded but there was a miscommunication. Pagdating naman sa floor defense ng Letran Knights, 2 players ang nagagawan sa bola at walang nakapagangat ng first ball. Sayang.
Alam mo, Anjo, with the way this match has been going, wala bang nakakakuha ng momentum?
Tama.
Kumbaga, palitan ng puntos eh.
Yes.
Oh! Wow!
Yes! Aranyo
no.
single hand set.
Oh, no. I think
He's down.
he might have turned his ankle.
I think so. He twisted an ankle, but I think he's good.
Oo, wala nang sakit-sakit. It's do or die, Anjo.
Tama. But before that was a good set play. Akala ng lahat over yung bola. One-hand set into a short running pass mula kay Lardizábal. No one's home to block that spike. Puntos para kay Lardizábal. Ang galing lang din kasi Lardizábal tumuloy pa rin kahit out of system na yung set at yung dig.
Let's hope Wayne is okay.
Ooh!
Single block.
Single block coverage para kay Ambrosio. No way home.
Balikan lamang sa Letran.
Ang ganda ng timing. So ngayon, ang ginagawa ng Letran Knights, iniiwan na lang nila sa isang blocker ang kahit anumang running play na binabato ni Villados at umaasa na lang sila na kapag luwag pa sa blocker, ay madedepensahan sa likod.
Wow.
Net touch.
Net touch?
Oo, net touch violation kay Ambrosio.
And he's saying na wala. Wait.
Oo. The players are asking for a challenge para kay Coach Bry at ibibigay ba ni Coach Bry? Yes. Merong challenge. This is their last challenge for this set.
Net touch.
Importanteng challenge para sa Letran as they hope to head into a technical timeout with a 2-point lead. But initial call, Arellano point. So tignan natin kung ano magiging hatol ng ating mga officials over there at the instant replay area.
This is very crucial kasi papunta na tayo sa latter part ng ating first set and look at the crowd. Everyone's present kahit na maulan. Anton, thank you for being with us here live sa Philoil Arena, mga kapuso.
At ito na po ang ating video replay. Let's see, net touch ang challenge dito.
And yes, oo nga, there was a challenge. Kitang-kita, tumama sa alunot.
Good eye, Ambrosio.
Oo, tsaka buti nilaban din nila Ambrosio kasi Coach Brian was about to let it go. And can I just say, Anton, you look so good, bro. You look so what a dapper.
Hey, you were the one who told me to wear blue.
It's our color.
Yeah,
it's our color.
Team effort, brother. Letran leads Arellano by 2.
This
Kapuso, ako po si Erin T. at nandito tayo ngayon sa University of Makati para subaybayan ng NCAA Season 100 Football Finals. Tara, samahan niyo ako at saksihan natin kung sino ang magwawagi.
Siya.
Two-time NCAA best blocker Vince Himzon hoping to defend their chance of winning a championship for the first time in 16 years. They want to force a deciding game number 3.
Look at that numbers. Parang hindi middle blocker. 18 points coming from 15 attacks, 2 blocks, and an ace para kay Vince Himzon.
Former Rookie of the Year back in season 98. This is his 3rd year in the NCAA.
And back-to-back best middle blocker sa ating NCAA competition. No wonder. He's a big threat para sa Arellano.
Berdal. Down the line for Carl. At
Yes.
eto na. Carl is starting to get pumped up.
Oh, ito na. Onting apoy pa para kay Carl Berdal. Pero Carl this time maximizing the height difference. Kay Aranyo, ang taas ng spiking reach ni Berdal. Kaya naman medyo bukas sa kanya at mas madali ang down the line area.
Now Carl is showing some emotion. Sabi niya, kailangan ng tapusin to.
Oo. Pero aminado din naman na sila. Sinabi nila na mahirap kalaban ang Letra Knights.
Mahina. Malakas.
Oh! Carberdal with a twist! That gave me goosebumps, Anton! Did you see the hips?
That was smooth.
Grabe! 4 points already for Carberdal. Tinapik lang yung bola pabalik sa court ang Letran. Parang Wiggles, ang lambot.
We gotta come up with a name for that.
Yeah. Nako, Anton, ito mukhang marami tayong kembot na makikita ngayong araw. Ako nang unang bibilang. 1-0. 1 for Carl and 0 for Bembem.
Pag linabas na ulit ni Bembem yung lava walk.
Yan ang
Kaya
gusto
na.
kong makita, Anton.
Yan ang simula ng tunay na laban.
Ibigay nyo na. Sana may ikot ang magkasabay sila sa harap, no?
Oo. Himzon picks it up. Tayo agad. Uy!
Oh, what a drop!
Regalo!
Wow! Ambrosio playing really smart. Break ball, binigay niya sa setter side yung drop ball niya. Very manipis sa drop ball. And then yun nga, nahirapan na ibalik for that first ball. Regalo, Ambrosio. Lahat ng play. Credits for him. Puntos para sa Letran.
Sulit yung playo.
Oo.
Nakakatalon agad eh.
Grabe,
Ambrosio.
no? Vertical lang eh. 2-point lead para sa Letran Knights. At mga kapuso, itong kalamangan na ganito masali sa mga ganitong laro, sobrang laki.
Bertal na naman.
Oh!
Bounce
Oh!
ball! And the stare down!
Yes!
On Vince Himzon!
0-2. Wala pang kembot si Bembem. Si Berdal nakadalawa na. Two-man block coverage. No problem for him. Inilag pa kanan. A very tight angle but Carl Berdal doing Carl Berdal things. Kailangan natin ng kembot counter.
2-0 na, partner.
2-0.
Himzon. Aba.
Yeah!
Tinatawanan lang ni Vince.
Oo. Vince Himzon, all smile celebration.
Si Vince yung tinignan ni Carl kanina eh.
Kaya nga, ito na. Our reigning best middle blocker proving that he's a threat kapag nasa harapan siya.
5 na ang puntos ni Vince. Opposite side.
Oh! Miscommunication para sa side ng Arellano. Villados, hindi sana siya kukuha ng second ball na yun. 3-point lead para sa Letran Knights. Anton, let's go!
I'm clapping my hands.
Composing yung sarili nyo. Okay, patient. Cover, huwag magmamadali. Hindi natin matatapos yan. Dahan-dahanin lang natin. Balik lang tayo sa ginagawa natin sistema. Okay, block tayo. Pag na-block natin yung bola, napabagal, takbo tayo. Okay? Trabaho tayo, guys. Trabaho tayo. Di pa tapos yan. Ano yan? Smile. Enjoy.
Brian Vitog, rookie season, taking over from Sherwin Meneses, who was the original coach for Arellano since they first came in as a guest team back in season 85 in 2009.
Yun nga, no, medyo nawala sa body language ng Arellano yung pag-enjoy. At this time, si Carl Berdal lang yung medyo lumalabat at nagpapakita ng enjoyment inside that court.
Hindi lang enjoyment, swag na rin ang pinapakita. But
Ambrosio, another great adjustment mid-air. Medyo palabas na yung set. Nakita niya na there's no way for him to spike that ball. Going left, dropping that ball. Puntos para sa Letran. Lumayo na sila with a 4-point lead.
biggest lead
Yeah.
of the match para dito sa
Oh, regalo, Anton!
Ambrosio. What an impact he has made, Anjo, here in set number 1.
Totoo. At alam natin, game 1, he's been quiet. But game 2, first set pa lang, nagpapakita na ng brilliance. Itong si Ambrosio. Very present inside that court. Alam niya kung tuwing kailan niya kapapaluin. Every regalo nagagawa niya ng paraan.
And the run of Letran stops. You know, Letran made a run after that stare down by Carl on Vince.
Oo, parang nag-init eh. Parang iginante ng buong Letran squad itong si Vince.
You hit it on the head. I feel like yun talaga yung ginawa.
Ooh.
Vince, look at Vince.
Yeah.
Hindi pa pinapawisan, no? Wala.
Bro, ito yung pinagtataka natin nung una natin kinover si Vince Simpson. Hindi siya pinagpapawisan. Sobrang active niya. Kahit isang butil, wala. Kita mo naman, two-man block coverage. Too easy for him. Very nonchalant celebration. Vince showing na he wants this game.
Vince making sure na hindi makakapatay.
Oh, that
Itong
set
Arellano.
was too close.
What a save by Cordero. Oh, Bem. Kulang sa timing. Sabi niya, akin.
Oo, nahirapan na sa timing si Bem Bem. Hindi pa siya nakaka-approach, hindi siya nakatras ng maayos. Ibinigay yung bola pabalik sa kanya, kaya naman nahirapan na siya. Adjustan yung set na yon.
Alam mo, hindi pa natin masyado nababanggit yung pangalan ni Bem Bautista.
Oo nga eh.
And for Letran, that's a good thing because you know Bem is gonna heat up pa.
Yes.
At yung mga kakampi ni Bem gumagawa.
Yes, tama
Katulad
ka
ni
dyan.
Ambrosio.
Tama ka dyan, Anton. It's a good regalo naman this time para sa Arellano.
Kuramen. Ambrosio, pops it up.
Bem.
Eto na!
Oh, what a dig!
Oh, Himson! Timing!
Chance ball para sa Letran.
Aranyo, back set.
Oh! What a block by AC Ginto! Straight on! No way out para kay Bermido, lumapag sa mismong kanan paa niya. Look at that block, look at that timing. Ang ganda ng pag-usap ng dalawang blockers.
Ganda naman ang pasa.
Oh.
Saan ba tayo advantage? Saan tayo advantage?
Akin.
Beto. Oh, pag may magandang receive tayo, at least spiker mo. Ha? Felix, ready kang play one tayo. Play one.
Bem.
Oh, Bem, play one, ha? Play one. Sigurado sasabayan, ha? Sigurado sasabayan si Vince. Pag walang pasa, kaya din.
Coach Brian Esquivel knows that they have to win this set.
To set that momentum. At saka ramdaman natin yung sense of urgency para kay Coach Bry.
Aranyo to Bem.
Yes!
Ayan na.
Ayan na, kumembot na. 2-1. Kembot counter, Anton.
Ito, gumagawa ako ng resibo.
Wow, meron.
2-1. Okay.
That was a good patong play right in the middle para sa Letran Knights at para kay Aranyo. Although nandun yung two-man block coverage ng Arellano, Bem made easy work to get that point. And there was a challenge.
Siyempre.
Anton, wait lang. Kailangan makita ng mga kapuso natin yung suot natin ngayon. Correct? Correct. Pinagandaan namin, pinag-usapan namin ni Anton to eh.
Yes. Color of the day. Color of the day. It's rainy
Ay, wait
season.
lang. Ito na yung challenge. Yeah, it was so in.
Challenge unsuccessful.
So the point goes to the Letran Knights. And they're serving for the set point.
The Letran Knights are now at set point.
Oh, there was a timeout.
Coach Brian Vitog calling a timeout. Trying to ice itong si Vince Simpson.
Abang na sa short ball. Okay, that's a short ball. Pasa muna, dito muna ako. Magka-contact, o tsaka ako matras. Basahin ko muna ako short ball. Okay, adjust tayo doon konti. Okay, sige. Sige, Arellano! Kaya.
Very technical timeout for Coach Brian Vitog. At una niyang sinabi is how to receive that service na ibibigay ng Letran Knights. Carberdal nasa backline. Arellano with 3 spikers in front.
Set point.
Set point for Letran.
This is the 4th time Letran and Arellano have faced each other this season. Letran has yet to beat Arellano in season 100.
Quick stop para kay Sinuto.
Sinuto.
On the opposite, two-man block coverage. Check out para kay Sinuto.
I don't think we've seen any substitutions yet, no?
Wala.
Wala pa, no?
Sila yan. Simula nung game 1.
Grabe.
Ooh!
Villanos getting up there.
Oh, and Arellano getting closer sa Letran Knights, down by 2. Hindi pwede yung mga ganong regalo kay Villanos. Alam natin na isa siyang matangkad na setter. Madali para sa kanya kumuha ng regalo at pumuntos galing doon. What a serve.
Ito na si Aranyo. Bam, bam.
Oh, Bam Bam. Blocked. Ang ganda talaga tumiming ng blockers at ang ganda ng communication kung kailan papatong si Bebem, kaya nababantayan ng maigi ng blockers ng Arellano.
Bem, sumabay na kay Dave yung isa, di mo siniwan, ginamit mo pa kasi.
Ben, hindi pwede laging palo. Hey, last points tayo. Isang magandang basa. Play 1 pa rin. Ready ka sa dulo, ha? Ready ka? Tuloy lang. Hingi ka ng bola.
Same play daw sila, Anton. Play 1, sabi ni Coach Bry. At ang hula ko itong play 1 nila ay patong sa gitna at may iwan yung opposite. Isa-set lang sa 5. Tingnan natin kung yun yung gagawin nila. They need a great ender if they want to need this. And on the other hand, para naman sa Arellano, they just need to be more consistent at gawin kung paano sila humabol para maidikit pa ito.
Pero good pass muna.
Ayan.
Ayan. Bam, bam.
Ooh, what a dig!
Ginto. Oh.
Wow! Chance ball para sa Arellano.
Arellano can tie right here. Ginto. Buhay pa.
Oh, good ball pa rin. Arellano bola. Oh!
Wow. Woo! And the crowd goes crazy.
I can't hear you, bro. The arena's so loud. But Villados sumugal sa isang running attack para kay Guramen. A very brave play. And now, Arellano forcing that deuce.
Burado ang lamang ng Letran.
Oh! Patong play naman ang sagot ang Letran. Bermido right in the middle. Ang ganda ng deception play ni Aranyo. Ang ganda ng pasok ni Lardy Sabal. No blockers at home. Bermido. Give point.
I mentioned substitutions. Ito na ang unang pagkakataon.
Ito na. Very crucial. Substitutions and service. Para sa Letran.
Lawrence Vicente is in, wearing jersey number 2. And Moy Sumagaysay at the service line.
A very crucial one. Good serve. Oh! Wait!
Servicing.
Adon!
An ace!
Wow! An ace from a late substitution. Sumagaysay doing his thing. Wow! Sumagaysay getting that first set for the Letran Knights. Wow, magic bunot literal.
Isang mahigpit na yakap mula kay Pempe
Wow!
Bautista. Letran takes set number 1 against Arellano.